Hey everyone, it is time to put down that margarita because we are talking all things pumpkin, and I am making the most delicious pumpkin cake with an apple cider glaze. Super simple, only 5 ingredients, and it starts with 2 box mixes. Of course, you're gonna add 2 cans of that pumpkin puree right inside, and then when you make the glaze, it's so delicious. It's a little powdered sugar, it's a little pumpkin spice, look at this, look how thick that gets. A little pumpkin spice, and of course, you're gonna put a little apple cider. You're gonna bake this at 350 degrees. It's a thicker batter, as we mentioned, for about 50 minutes, and then I'm gonna come out with the one that's already made. I let it cool already for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's what you're gonna wanna do so that you can actually grab it, but that you can also put that great glaze on top. There's that beautiful cake. Love that I didn't have to spray it with any butters or oils or any extra added fats. And here's the best part. I prepped in here, I cooked in here, I'm gonna serve in here, but first, we glaze. Apple cider, delicious glaze. You can use as little or as much as you want. You could even make 2 batches, no judgment here. And then literally cut it, slice it, eat it, however you wanna do it. It is absolutely delicious and super simple as well.